Hi, my name's PR Andy Barr. For the last 30 years I've been working in PR, but in the last few years I've done a lot of content creation because that's what amplifies the PR campaigns. So at events we do a lot of time lapses of things being set up. Out and about we do a lot of run and gun, as they call it, type of videos. But what I found, there's always been an issue around finding the best camera, which is what I'm going through today. We used to use a Lumix GH5 Panasonic, which is a great camera, but it's really a bit of a faff to set up and you can't do it very quickly. I also use an iPhone, but unfortunately you have things like this, so the screens get cracked a lot, the screens get chipped a lot because of, you're out on site and phones fall off tripods and things like that. And so then I was given a DJI Pocket Osmo 3, which is the camera that I'm looking at now. I'm also filming on a GoPro Hero 13, which is the camera that I'm looking now. This is the Panasonic Lumix GH5, and this is the standard iPhone that I get given for work that I used to use a lot for all the content. So today's video is just looking at the different cameras. So the Apple iPhone, really strong camera, a real workhorse, but as I say, it is very prone to break-in, and if you're using it for events or run and gun stuff and you get a call, it can really mess up the shoot. Moving to the Lumix GH5, fantastic camera, really fiddly to set up. For today, it probably took me about an hour to get the settings right and doing lots of testing back and forth. So for quick run and gun stuff, that's no good. And it's also a bit of a prima donna. So, if I take it on site to potentially people like the Quarry client, it's very at risk of break-in, not least if you fall over a lot in the icy weather. The Hero GoPro Black 13, which I actually got given by my bosses yesterday, thank you very much Sam and Jeff, is a fantastic camera, really versatile, it's a real workhorse. I have always used GoPros and I really like them, but again, the edit I find can be a bit tricky with a GoPro. And then finally, the DJI Osmo Pocket 13, I've had it now for a few days, it's absolutely fantastic, real workhorse. I am going to invest in a screen protector because I'm a bit nervous about the screen at the back and the lens at the front, but this is what this particular element is being filmed with, and I'm using the DJI Mic 2 for all of the audio for this. And I did a previous short about the DJI wireless mic versus the Rode Wireless Go 2s that I also use across all 4 cameras, and I found the DJI mic to be the best, if I'm honest. So there we go. At the minute, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is my favourite. I think it's the best for content creators. You can plug mics into it really easily. It's really versatile, really easy to get footage over to your laptop or desktop and get it edited and out. The GoPro is really good for that as well. Again, the Lumix GH5, it is brilliant for talking head stuff and really well planned out video shoots where you're not moving around much. But for the run and gun stuff, I find it really tricky because I'm not a professional camera person. And the iPhone it is fantastic, but it is the proper Elton John of all of the run and gun style cameras in that it quite often has a strop. It's very prone to having broken screens. Thank you very much. PR Andy Barr, slightly different one, out.